Welcome to today's episode. We will explore the surroundings of Kadidiri, for example, Salaka Island. Furthermore, we enjoy our last day at Kadidiri before we are leaving to Una Una, the diver's paradise. Have fun! Showing you the beauty of our planet. Fabulous world.
Welcome to Indonesia! Sulawesi!
Subtitles.
Yang dari
Sakit tripinera ini.
This was our last day at Kadidiri. We will now move to Pristine Paradise, a very beautiful resort, located on an island called Una Una, close to the Togean Islands. It took us 3 hours with the boat ride with a fisher's boat through the open sea to get there. Crazy to think about that. They even got a second engine on the boat in cases anything happens.
They waiting for a flying fish, but they don't get it.
What we are searching for is called flying fish. They are fishes with wings. They jump out of the water and fly up to 30 seconds in the air to escape underwater predators like swordfish
They
or
waiting
tuna.
for flying fish for the second time, huh? But they never get it.
We arrived at Pristine Paradise. This resort is well known to have the best diving places from all the Togean area, even Indonesia. We are already looking forward to our first real scuba dive experience. As this is a very special moment for us, we want to offer you this explicit in a separate video. It was a very beautiful, but also a very humbling experience. Nature is so powerful. All these little beautiful creatures. To be so deep under the water is just mind-blowing for the beauty of sea life, but also humbling for your vulnerability under the water. See you in the next episode. We will have some good news for you. Please let us know in the comments where we should go next. If you have some unexplored destinations like hidden gems, we would really like to know. Thank you so much.